So, we're with Kaylee today.
Yes.
How many weeks for your test now?
4.
4 weeks for a test. So, four weeks to say?
Yeah, 4 weeks.
4 weeks, yeah, because it's just 4 weeks from. We're not going to say the date, by the way. That'd be wrong. And how do you feel?
Nervous.
Nervous?
Yeah.
So what's on your mind then? What's making you feel nervous? Obviously, you got your test coming up, haven't you?
I feel like because I just want to pass it.
Yeah.
That's what's making me nervous, is the pressure of passing it.
Yeah. Pressure by your friends, family, or just
Me.
You? Pressure on yourself?
Because I know if I fail it, it's looking like, September onwards for a new test.
It is,
So
yeah.
that's summer holidays gone.
It is. I mean, I had someone who failed this week and I booked a test and it was, I think it was the 10th of September.
Yeah,
and we're in now
March.
March, aren't we?
So that means summer's gone. No
Yeah.
driving.
But you can get closer by keep looking on the booking system, and hopefully, there's a Facebook group, WhatsApp group, where instructors swap tests for nothing,
Yeah.
no charge, which is quite handy. So the pressure on yourself to pass, isn't it? What about your driving?
I feel like it's better than what it has been.
Do you feel like you're getting there?
Yeah.
Do you feel what bits do you feel like you need to keep working on? Do you feel
The pulling out of a junction.
out of a junction? What, based off today?
Yeah.
Well, normally you're actually quite good in your clutch, aren't you?
Yeah.
And I think because we've gone to a really busy area and you feel like you've got a rush, it's making you jump off the clutch a little bit.
And the road is so bumpy.
What, the potholes?
Yeah.
That's everywhere, isn't it? That's life, unfortunately. Council are rubbish not filling those in.
No, go fill them up.
So we have got time to keep improving your clutch. And once you get used to this area, it'll calm down anyway.
Yeah.
When we've been going through some tricky roundabouts, and that's been fine. And you've done your manoeuvres, and
I've done this one first time.
yeah, I mean, just drove into a parking space and forward bay part. As though it wasn't that easy. You've done a parallel part before this video recording, and they were all pretty good, weren't they?
Yeah.
So you're on track, and you've done the questions. I mean, people would have probably seen the video. If you haven't seen the video on the questions, by the way, I'll put a video at the top and in the description of her practicing the show me questions for the first time. That was recorded week, wasn't it?
Yeah, we done that last week.
Yeah, that's quite a good fun, that, wasn't it? I kept answering the wrong question.
It's the wrong answer.
Yeah. Anything else on your mind about the driving test coming up?
I don't think so.
Just the fact that you're putting pressure on yourself.
Yeah.
So, like I mentioned to you about 10 minutes ago when you're driving, if you make a mistake, don't dwell on it. Concentrate for the next 5-6 seconds around you what's going on, because if you're thinking, oh God, I stalled then, you're not going to fail for stalling. You're going to get a fault. But if you're thinking about the mistake, you're going to make another mistake.
Yeah.
Either straight away and stall twice, or you're going to approach something at the wrong speed or the wrong gear and make another mistake. So it's like a little snowball. It gets bigger and bigger and becomes a bigger problem for you. So you just got to keep concentrating, focused on your driving, because you can drive quite nice.
Yeah.
It's getting better and better as it, which is the right thing. As it gets closer to his test, it's getting more.
That's what it needs to do.
It does, yeah. But it's not kind of slowing down your acceleration, it's speeding up all the time. So you're actually peaking, I reckon, at the right point when you get to the point where your test is. And you're confident when you're driving.
I like driving. I feel like that's what makes it easier. I actually like doing it.
Yeah. All right. So we're going to go and do some independent driving following signs, aren't we now? And is there anything based off the previous lesson up to what that you want to work on next week? Just to
This Bletchley bit again.
this Bletchley bit,
Yes.
because you stalled a few times. Okay then, so we'll stop it there, and the next bit you'll see is the following week